Hi, I am Salim. I'm excited to show you STF, a progressive web application for field services management. I built specifically for a French fiber optic company. So this app is basically divided into two parts: one for technicians and one for company owner, or otherwise secretary or so. We have here appointments, which technicians upload from their site. Technician view here. This part is for technicians only. And we have compare engine. We have planning and interventions. This is something like settings they use to work. We have reports, user settings, role and permissions. Each user have his role and limited access to this application. So the problem this app solves is that the company receives a monthly massive Excel exports from the internet provider they work with, and manually checking if every intervention matches what the technicians actually did on the ground. Where this was too slow and error prone, there was a missing data, prices conflicts, and unverified work lead to thousands in lost revenue every month. So this app solves this by centralizing the entire workflow and unified. It's a unified hub for technicians to report work and for managers to verify and bill it instantly. Uh, with this app, technicians can easily log their visits, upload proof of work, and update status in real time. This ensures that every fiber repair is documented with precision. Like instead of uploading this data here from the internet provider mobile app line by line, like type, description, date, the technician can directly upload it as it is, as screenshot, like this. We'll show an example. The OCI engine will pull the data from that screenshot. You note that we have missing intervention here. It requires to scroll a bit and take another screenshot. It's okay. Let's fill that manually for now, and let's change it this since there is already an existing intervention with the same token. Submit, and that's it for technicians. This way they upload their visits, what they did. And the other part here is the compare appointments engine, where the owner upload Excel file received from the company, like this one, for example, for January 2026. Okay, this will compare the data we have with the data received. This is the core of the platform, the comparison tool. You can upload an external spreadsheet like we just did. The system automatically reconcile it against our database. It identifies price mismatches and missing items, like we see here, of in DB only, in sheet only, and it also identifies ghost interventions in seconds, and what used to take hours of manual lookups is now fully automated. Now let's take a look at the technical side of this application. It's built with a modern stack, including Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. It's designed to be easy to use, fast, and responsive. It also uses Supabase for type-safe data access and OCI Cloud Storage to store technicians' documents and their proof of work screenshots. Uh, the app took around 2 weeks to be done. It's 90% vibe coded. then launched it for testing. It took some other time for testing and fixing some bugs, and now the V1 is already in production. And that's it. Thank you for watching.